at a bunch of big birds. I think these are herons. And right here, that almost looks like a kingfisher, like a group of them. But there's kittens everywhere too. And then we got some blackbirds. Well, there's another one right there on the rock. It's just like a sanctuary, a bird sanctuary. Pretty neat. This is Florida. Florida living. All kinds of wildlife here on the nature coast. What do you think of all this, Dex? Hey Dex, what do you think of all this? He's like, I don't care. Whatever. It's a normal day in paradise, Dad. Cool. Have a great day. God bless.